Attention, your legs weaken first. Exercises. Every elderly needs to stay strong and healthy. Hello there. Welcome to today's video. First of all, I want to say thank you for being here. Your health and happiness are so important, and just by watching this, you're taking an incredible step towards staying active, independent, and strong. Did you know your leg strength tends to weaken first as you age? But don't worry, because today I'm here to show you simple, doable exercises to help maintain or even rebuild your leg strength. You don't need fancy equipment, and you don't need to be an athlete. All you need is a little time, a safe place to move, and a willingness to take it one step at a time. So let's get started together. As we grow older, it's natural for our bodies to go through changes. One common change is a gradual loss of strength in the muscles of our legs. This happens for a few reasons, like decreased physical activity, age-related muscle loss, or changes in circulation. The result? Simple things like standing up, walking, or climbing stairs can start feeling more difficult. Weak legs can also increase the risk of falls, making balance and mobility harder to maintain. But here's the good news. By adding some simple exercises into your daily routine, you can rebuild strength, improve balance, and keep your legs healthy and strong for years to come. These exercises aren't just about moving, they're about living with confidence and independence. Are you ready to take care of your legs? Let's make it happen, one gentle step at a time. Before we jump in, let's take a moment to prepare. Here's what you'll need. A safe, comfortable space with no clutter or tripping hazards. A sturdy chair or surface for support. Comfortable clothes and shoes to help you move freely. Take a few deep breaths to relax and get into the right mindset. Don't worry about doing everything perfectly. This is about doing what works best for you. And remember, always consult with your doctor before starting a new exercise routine, especially if you have existing health concerns. Now let's begin strengthening and taking care of your legs. Sit comfortably in your chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your right leg, keeping it straight until it's a few inches off the ground. Hold it there for a moment, then gently lower it back down. Switch to the left leg and repeat. This exercise strengthens your thighs and improves your ability to lift your legs effortlessly. Start with 5 repetitions per leg and gradually increase over time. Still sitting tall in your chair, straighten your right leg until it's fully extended in front of you. Flex your thigh muscles and hold for a moment. Slowly bend your knee and bring your foot back to the floor. Now, do the same with your left leg. This movement strengthens the muscles around your knee, promoting stability and mobility. Try 5, 10 repetitions on each side. Stretch your legs out a little in front of you. Slowly rotate your right ankle in a circular motion, first clockwise, then counterclockwise. Repeat on your left side. This exercise helps with joint mobility and circulation, keeping your ankles nice and flexible. Do 10 circles in each direction per foot. Place your feet flat on the floor. Gently raise your heels off the ground, feeling the muscles in your calves engage, then slowly lower them back down. This simple movement keeps the muscles in your lower legs strong and encourages healthy blood flow. Try completing 10 calf raises. While still seated, tighten the muscles in your buttocks for a few seconds before releasing them. This is a small but powerful exercise to activate the glutes, which are essential for strong, supportive legs. No one will even know you're doing this one, so you can try it throughout the day for maximum benefit. Aim for 10, 15 squeezes. Great job! If you've made it this far, give yourself a round of applause. Make sure to take a short break, breathe deeply and sip some water before we move on to standing exercises. Stand beside a sturdy chair or table for support. Lift one knee at a time as though you're marching in place. You can go slow and steady, there's no rush. This exercise boosts leg strength while also working on coordination and balance. Start with 10 steps on each leg. Holding onto your chair lightly for balance, lift your right leg out to the side, keeping it straight. Lower it back slowly, then switch to the left leg. This movement targets the outer thigh and improves stability. Start with 5 repetitions per side and work up to more as you get comfortable. Position yourself in a spot where you can use a wall or table for support. Take a step forward, placing your heel directly in front of your other foot's toes. Slowly step the other foot forward the same way. This is an excellent balance exercise that strengthens the legs and improves coordination. Do about 5, 10 steps in a straight line. Sit down on your chair with your feet flat on the ground and your arms crossed over your chest or placed on your thighs for support. Use your leg muscles to stand up, then sit back down slowly. This is a crucial exercise because it mimics the everyday movement of standing up and sitting down. Start with 5 repetitions and gradually increase over time. Stand behind your chair and hold onto it lightly for support. Bend your knees slightly and lower yourself toward a mini squat as if you're about to sit in a chair. Rise back up slowly. This works your thighs, hips and glutes, building strength in the main muscle groups that support your body. Start small, just 3, 5 mini squats are enough to get started. Congratulations, you've made it through the exercises. Now it's time to relax those hard-working muscles with some gentle stretches. While seated, extend one leg straight out in front of you with your heel on the floor. Gently lean forward and feel the stretch in the back of your thigh. Switch to the other leg. Hold each stretch for 10, 15 seconds. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Step 1 foot backward, keeping it straight and your heel flat on the ground. Gently lean forward, feeling the stretch in your calf. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Seated or standing, gently flex and point your toes a few times to loosen up your ankles. This helps release tension from the exercises. Stretching is a great way to cool down and prevent soreness, so take your time as you finish up. You did it. I'm so proud of you for showing up today and taking this time to take care of yourself. These simple exercises are more than just movements. They're an investment in your health, independence, and happiness. Remember, it's never too late to start. Even if you dedicate just a few minutes each day, you'll begin to notice improvements in your strength, balance, and confidence over time. Share this video with family and friends so they can join you in staying active and healthy. Together, we can create a ripple of wellness, spreading strength and positivity to those around us. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Until next time, take care, keep moving, and remember, you've got this.